Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. I am GD sir from LPM Public School. Today I am going to explain the question answer of the chapter Go Girl Go. Okay, and in the previous video I have explained all the book exercise of the chapter, and now I am explain about the question answer. So listen carefully and watch out the complete video and note down all the question and answer in your CW copy and HW copy. Okay, so listen carefully. So question number exercise number B and question number 1: what qualities do you sportswomen mentioned in the reports share? It is the question, and answer will be the qualities the sportswomen in the reports share are determination, willpower, dedication, perseverance, grit, and so on. Okay, these are the qualities. These are the qualities a sportsman that mentioned in the reports. Okay, so you have to write down this answer. Now, next question is: what physical quality do you think a heptathlete needs the most? It is the question, and answer is here. A heptathlete needs a mobility, speed, stamina, mental strength, and endurance, since the training she or he undergoes needs to get her or him ready to 7 different sports events. Okay, and everyone know, when I explain the chapter, then I also says you that there are 7 events were in the heptathlon. What is the 7 event? The 7 event were high jump, javelin throw, shot put, long jump, 100 meters, 200 meters, and 800 meters run. There are 7 events that held in the heptathlon. So heptathletes need for this event mobility, speed, stamina, mental strength, and endurance, etc. are the important physical qualities. Okay, and she or he undergoes need to get her or him ready to 7 different sportsmen. Clear? So next question is: her next target is to do well in 2020 Olympics. It is the statement, and question is here: whose target is to do well in the 2020 Olympics? Which event did she take part in? And what is special about the event? So you can see here is the question. There are given ask 2 questions. So answer is in the blue. What was the answer? Answer is the Swapna Varman's a target is to do well. Okay, in 2020 Olympics she took part in heptathlon. It is a combined event. You can see here the spelling is mistake. In place of C you have to write E. Okay, event. Okay, event contest. The 7 events are high jump, javelin throw, shot put, long jump, 100 meter, 200 meter, and 800 meter run. Okay, the answer is here. So you have to complete and note down the answer of this question. And next is exercise number D. Okay, exercise number D. Write the answer. And I also wanted to say that the exercise number C that given in your textbook on page number 31, you have solve it yourself. Okay, and by searching of the qualities of some uh, Hima Das, Swapna Varman, and Vishesh Fogart. Okay, like a what you know about her, what you have learnt about, and what you would like to know. Okay, etc. are the many things you have to search out and then write down. Clear? And next is Exercise number D, write the answer. And question is, why did Hima Das shift to 400-meter events? Okay, so here's the answer. Answer is Hima Das coach first spotted her. Hima Das coach first spotted her in an inter-district event in 2016. Okay, it means in the first when the Hima Das coach saw to Hima, and the in the beginning of the speed Hima Das is very slow. After that he taking picked. Okay, so Hima Das coach when first spotted her in a inter-district event in 2016, then he noticed that she started slow and picked toward the end. Okay, in the beginning she start the slow, and in the end she picked toward the fast. Okay, and this made her perfect for 200-meter event, so she shifted to 400-meter event. Okay, so it is the good quality of the Hima Das that was watching by the her coach, and her coach also suggested him to join the 400-meter event, and after that he shifted to Hima Das in 400-meter events, and she also uh, participate and get and uh, won the race and get the medals. Okay, and next question is, two of three reports tell you about the difficulties the athletes had to face when they took part in their events. What were these difficulties? Okay, it is the question, and now you have to know about the answer. So question is, here is the many of the points of this question. First you understand about the question. Two of the three reports tell you, it means you have to select two or three reports. Okay, two or three reports, or more than three reports, and tell you about difficulties the athletes had faced. It means Hima Das, what difficulties faced by the Hima Das, and what difficulties faced by the Swapnan Varman, and what difficulties faced by the Vishesh Fugas, etc. are the reports you have to mention, and when they took part in their event, what were these difficulties, and also mention when she participate or they participate in the events of games, then what were these difficulties. So answer is here, you can see. The first, you know about the Swapnan Varman has a extra toy on each foot, but did not have shoes to suit her feet. Okay, so it is the first point. And next is, she also suffered from a terrible toothache on the day of the final. With courage and determination, she won the gold medal at the Asian Games. Okay, so it is the second feature of the Swapnam Barman. uh, First is he has extra toys, and he has no any other option to put on the shoes, and second is she suffered from the terrible toothache on the day and in the final, and but she showing her courage and determination, and she won the gold medal. Okay, at the Asian Games. Clear? There is two reports. And next is, Vishesh Phogat was a more than 4 kilogram above the required weight for her category when she landed in Jakarta. Okay, when the game will be held in the Jakarta, and she fight uh, his she participate in the game, then he know that he has 4 kg weight extra for to his competitor. Okay, so it is the main difficulty for he. If the weight is over, then she cannot participate in the games. So she had to lose 4 kilogram to take part in the events. She was on a liquid diet for 3 days worked out in a non-air conditioned hall to increase sweating and doubled the number of training sessions. She lost 4 kilograms and was not at her peak, but she displayed immense metal strength and won the gold medal. Okay, so here is the Vishesh Fogart is uh, extraordinary girls when she know that there are 4 kg weight is extra for to his competitor, so she had lost her 4 kg to take part in the events. She was on a liquid diet for 3 days. Okay, she only take the liquid diet, not take the heavy diet, and after that he also worked out in a non-air conditioned hall. Okay, and when she working in non-air conditioned hall, then he is sweating, he increase her sweating, and that is he burn her calorie and doubled the number. And she also worked out in 2 times or 3 times of the training session, and she lost 4 kilogram and was not at her peak, but she also displayed immense mental state, won the gold medal. It means after the 3 days he did not take the food, but in the uh, final match she also expressed his mental express and won the gold medal. And it is the determination of the uh, players, it means Vishesh Fogart. Okay, so I hope you all understand this question and answer of this chapter, and the chapter name is, I also tell you about that, Google Go, it is the chapter name. And they I have to solve the exercise number B and D. uh, C is left, that is the work for you, and you have to complete exercise number C. And what will we do in the exercise number C? So complete this table about the 3 sports women. Okay, there are mentioned 3 sports women name like Hima Das, Swapnan Varman and Vishesh Fogart. Okay, and in the bracket, in the column you can see what I know, what I have learned, and what would you like to know. Okay, so all 3 take the help of all 3 options and complete the exercise number C by taking the clue of the column. Okay, so I hope you all to understand this chapter, and next day I will take another video for your new topic. So I hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you for the watching video. Best of luck.